Are you ready to manifest your desires instantly? The power to create the life you want is within your grasp, and the time to act is now. You don't have to wait for things to change. You have everything you need to start attracting what you desire. It's all about understanding how to align with the energy of the universe and tap into your personal power. The journey begins today, and it's simpler than you might think. Everything in life starts with a thought. Whether you realize it or not, your thoughts are constantly creating your reality. What you think about consistently is what you begin to attract into your life. If your mind is filled with negativity or doubts, that's what you'll see reflected in your life. But when you change your thoughts to align with your desires, you'll begin to notice a shift. To manifest instantly, the first step is to become aware of your thoughts. Notice the ones that focus on what you lack or what you don't want. These thoughts create blocks that keep you from attracting the positive things you deserve. Once you start shifting your focus to what you want, your reality will begin to shift too.
You have the ability to control your thoughts.
By redirecting your mind towards positive, empowering beliefs, you invite those very things into your experience. Affirmations, visualization, and simply thinking about your goals can help you clear the path for manifestation. Belief is a powerful force. If you don't believe that what you want is possible, you'll never attract it. But when you fully believe that what you desire is already on its way to you, you align yourself with the energy needed for it to manifest. Belief in your own ability to create your reality is essential for manifesting instantly.
Doubts and uncertainty only create resistance, which slows down the manifestation process.
The key is to truly believe that your desires are meant for you and that you are deserving of them. You can strengthen your belief by imagining what it would feel like to already have what you want. Picture yourself living your dream life, enjoying the success or love that you desire. The stronger your belief, the quicker your manifestation will come. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation. It's one of the quickest ways to align your energy with your goals and desires. By clearly visualizing what you want in vivid detail, you signal to the universe exactly what you're asking for. The clearer your vision, the easier it is for the universe to deliver it. Take time each day to visualize your desired outcome. See it happening in your mind's eye as though it's already unfolding. Feel the emotions associated with achieving that goal. The more emotion you can put into your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Visualization is not just about imagining, it's about truly feeling that you've already received your desire. When you visualize, you must experience it as if it's happening right now. The stronger the feeling, the faster the manifestation will occur. Manifesting isn't just about thinking and visualizing, it's also about taking action. When you align your thoughts and energy with your desires, you will begin to feel inspired to take certain steps that will lead you to your goals. These steps may not always be obvious, but the more you listen to your intuition, the clearer the path becomes. Inspired action is different from forceful action. It's not about pushing or struggling, it's about responding to the guidance you feel deep within. This might be a new opportunity, a conversation, or a sudden urge to take action in a specific direction. So By taking inspired action, you show the universe that you are ready for your desires to manifest. You give the universe something to work with. Without action, nothing can move forward. Trust that the steps you take, however small, are part of the process of bringing your desires into reality. One of the most important aspects of manifesting instantly is trusting that everything is unfolding at the right time. You may want your desires to appear immediately, but sometimes the universe needs to align certain things first. Trusting the timing of the universe means having patience and faith.
It's about knowing that everything is being set up for you, and the perfect moment for your manifestation will arrive soon.
When you trust the timing, you stop feeling anxious or desperate, and you allow things to unfold naturally. The universe is always working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. The right people, resources, and opportunities are being arranged for you.
Stay focused on your goal and trust that it will come to you when everything is in alignment.
Resistance is the biggest obstacle to manifesting instantly. When you hold on too tightly to how and when things should unfold, you block the flow of energy. Releasing resistance is a crucial step in letting the universe work on your behalf. When you let go of attachment to specific outcomes, you free yourself from the need to control the situation. This act of surrender doesn't mean giving up on your goals. It means trusting that the universe will bring them to you in the best possible way. Letting go allows you to relax and stop worrying about the how or when of manifestation. The more you let go of resistance, the faster your desires will come to you. Trust in the process, knowing that the universe is always working in your favor. Affirmations are a powerful way to program your mind for success. They are statements that affirm the reality you want to create. By repeating positive affirmations daily, you begin to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, aligning your thoughts with your desires.
To manifest instantly, create affirmations that are clear, positive, and in the present tense.
For example, say, "I am attracting my dream job," or "I am deserving of love and abundance." When you say them with conviction, you reinforce the belief that it's already happening. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more you align your energy with your desires. Affirmations help you stay focused, positive, and on track with your manifestation goals. Living as if is a powerful technique to bring your desires into reality. When you live as if you already have what you want, you send out a clear signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. This means acting, thinking, and feeling as though your manifestation is already here. If you want to manifest a new home, for example, start researching neighborhoods or begin organizing your current space as though you're preparing to move. If it's love you seek, start treating yourself as if you already have the love and respect you deserve. End quote. When you act as if, you demonstrate to the universe that you are aligned with your desires and ready to receive them. This shift in energy opens up the flow for manifestations to appear quickly. Positive thinking is one of the most essential practices for manifesting instantly. Negative thoughts, doubts, and fears only create resistance and block the flow of energy. To manifest quickly, it's crucial to stay focused on the positive aspects of your desires and your life in general. Whenever negative thoughts arise, replace them immediately with positive affirmations or thoughts that align with your desires. For example, if you think, "I'll never get the job I want," immediately replace that with, "The perfect job for me is on its way." By constantly shifting to a positive mindset, you keep your energy aligned with what you want to manifest.
The more you practice this, the easier it becomes to stay in a state of positive expectation.
Being open to receive is an essential part of manifestation. Many people unknowingly block their blessings by not being open to receiving them. You may want something, but if you're not open to receiving it, the universe can't deliver it to you. Being open to receive means letting go of any beliefs that you don't deserve the good things that come your way. It's about accepting abundance and love without guilt or hesitation. Open yourself up to the possibility that your desires can come to you in unexpected ways. When you are open to receiving, you signal the universe that you are ready to accept your manifestations with gratitude and grace. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for manifesting instantly. When you express genuine appreciation for what you already have, you shift your energy to a state of abundance. This creates a magnetic pull for even more blessings to come your way. Start your day by listing things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a beautiful sunrise, a supportive friend, or a meal you enjoyed. The more specific you are, the more impactful your gratitude practice becomes. As you focus on the positives, you create a strong foundation for attracting your desires. Gratitude also helps you maintain a high vibrational energy, which is essential for manifestation. When you appreciate what you have, you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. This act of acknowledging your current blessings invites greater abundance into your life. The people and environments you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your ability to manifest instantly. Negative energy from others can create resistance, while positive energy amplifies your intentions. Choosing uplifting influences is a crucial part of the manifestation process. Evaluate your circle. Are the people around you supportive of your goals, or do they bring negativity and doubt? Spend time with those who inspire and encourage you to grow. Positive relationships will strengthen your belief in your ability to create the life you want. Likewise, create an environment that promotes positivity. Clean, organize, and fill your space with things that bring you joy and remind you of your goals. A positive physical space reflects and reinforces the energy you want to cultivate for manifestation. The power to manifest your desires lies within you. By aligning your thoughts, taking inspired action, and maintaining a positive mindset, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. Don't forget to stay grateful, surround yourself with uplifting energy, and trust the timing of the universe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insights on how to bring your dreams to life. The universe is ready to bless you. All you need to do is believe, act, and receive.